Perfect intro.
Where you going?
We are going to Mexico. So we're on our way to the gate now. And
Yeah, it's quite a long walk.
yeah,
And there's so many people here in the airport. Like it's packed. But I guess because it's summer vacation for kids, so a lot of people are traveling right now.
taking it.
Anyway, welcome to the Sassy Mom, and welcome to another travel video. Touchdown, Mexico. Welcome to Puerto Vallarta. Yeah. Yeah. Woohoo! Oh, finally got out of that. Oh, craziness.
Who is Yasmin?
I am Yasmin.
I just need your signature.
Signature, sure. Oh my god, it's so hot. Signature. Okay, we made it here. So we just landed here in Puerto Vallarta airport, and there was a long line. It took us about an hour to get out of the airport. So basically, they don't need any COVID testing. All you have to do is fill out a questionnaire, which they're not even checking, I guess. You know, they made it mandatory, but no one's really checking. Hi. Buenos dias, señor.
Tarde.
Ay, tardes. Morning is...
Good morning. Buenos
Okay.
dias.
Yes, okay. I need to practice my Spanish skills.
I was about to say Buenos Aires.
Yeah, it is. Buenos
Hotel
tardes.
Riu Vallarta.
Sí. So, yes. And then, what else was there?
There was also the suitcase.
Yeah, so you get random check too on your way out for customs. So we got lucky, we skipped that. And now we're heading to our hotel. We're going to Riu Vallarta. By the way, there's a couple of Riu hotels here. How many Riu hotel is here? 3, right? 3 Riu?
Sí. Rio Palace, Riu Vallarta, Rio Jalisco.
Okay, and we're going to Riu Vallarta.
Rio Jalisco, Rio Vallarta y Rio Palace.
Oh, okay. All right. just got here in the hotel and we are checking in. We get a welcome drink. It's non-alcoholic. Rio Hotel provides COVID testing right on site, and this is free of charge. They will usually have you scheduled at least 3 days prior to your departure. And now we're heading to our room. We're on the 7th floor. Oh my gosh. So, which way do we go? 7th floor. By the way, it's a really humongous hotel. It's really big. And I'm not really sure. Wait. What is... Told you. Oh, you remembered. Yeah. So we're going to the room. Hi. And we picked a Oceanview Junior Suite room. This is the hallway. Here. And we are here. Alright. Oh, okay. Our suitcase is not here yet.
Gotta go check it.
Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
Oh wow. Okay. So this is our room. And this is our view. Wow. Look at this view. Open up. Oh. On the other side.
Alright, here we go. Oh, it's warm.
OMG. This is our view. Oh my god, I can't believe it. We're actually right in the middle. Look, like right at the center of the hotel. This is nice. Hello. Hello. Happy birthday to me. So we have 2 double beds there, and then we have a pull-out couch. And let's see. If I can get the lights on. Not working. Did I break it? No, I did not. Okay, anyway. I guess I need the key. Where's the key at? Can you get the key?
The magical keys.
The magical key. Okay.
Enchanted.
So, there you go. Oh, there you go. We have our very own mini bar here. And fridge that came with beer, bottled water, and some sodas. And you can always call for a refill. I love the fact that they have the gel everywhere, like in the elevator and even here. And this is the bathroom. No bathtub, just a shower, I guess. And then this. Really nice view. Really nice view. That's really it. It's all inclusive, so drinks, food, and everything basically is included. I hope you like this video. And stay tuned for more. If you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and tap that bell so you get the notification for further updates. Thank you. Bye.